YouTube? Another week, another episode. Have a look at that. Finished. Completo finito. All done down the side. The last video that I showed up, yeah, it hadn't completed this side, but look, it's all done. Completed. Even down the side of the house. All mint done. All the way down the end. So that's good. So today, me and Harlan, we're going to be putting on these. These are those Victorian style, colonial style looking trims that we're going to be putting around the window that I spoke about in my last episode. These come made at a special factory. I don't know where they get made, to be honest, but they get sent out like this. These don't come standard in your normal Bunnings or whatnot. So once we throw them on, it's going to give a nice look around these bland frames that they got there. So it's just sort of to tie in with the rest of the theme in this house. But look at this, look at the ceiling. This ceiling is going to be a detailed ceiling where they've dropped it there and they have this sort of higher bit in the middle, this cross section in the middle. It's going to look freaking mint when this place is done. Something else. A lot of detail in this house. When we start doing the architraves around the doors here, all there. These are all bricked, so see that? You got gibrock, then you got brick. A lot of glue is going to be used, a lot of plug and screw to hold these doors in, hold the screws in. But that's good. This sort of work makes you think. Yeah, but today we're just going to focus on putting on these trims. So Harlan's already started. Let's put those ones up there. He did those by himself. I left him do it by himself. I was a bit worried that he could stuff it up. But he did it. Look at that, he beasted it. Perfect, very nice. And he's done what we're going to continue on now is doing the bottom section, the windowsills. We're going to finish that and then put the sidings on. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So just like those cooking videos, here's something I prepared earlier. There you go. That's what it looks like when it's done. So you got your heads, your sidings, and the windowsill with that detail wrapping right around. And you do that with all the windows. That's what we're doing with all the windows anyway. We've got the whole top floor done, ready for the painters. We've got the doors out the front here, all done. There you go. Head, sidings, all ready for the painter. So, let's do it. You saw Harlan using both a measuring tape and another small device also used for measuring. But this device uses a laser. So I'm going to let Harlan actually explain to you the difference between the two. See how it goes, eh? Okay, Harlan. So what would you think the difference is between that laser and using a measuring tape?
So, the measuring tape, you have to use two people for measurements like this, or longer measurements. For this one here, you just use the laser just by yourself.
Yeah, as Harlan said, when you're using a measuring tape for distances like that, see over your head where it's longer, you're gonna have to use two people. But when you have a device like that, where it just uses a laser, then you can just use one person, and it's more accurate where you just stick it up, the dot hits the point where you want to measure to, and then it bounces back into the receiver, gives you your measurements. Yeah, it's all about technology, meeting old school carpentry techniques. So yeah, as we advance in this day and age, technology becomes a big part of how we construct these type of homes. So Oh, you're gonna test it, eh? Oh, good luck. So that microwave, if we plug it in and it just starts automatically, that means it's not gonna heat your food. But if it doesn't start, like a normal microwave, just the light comes on, then hey, we have liftoff. So here's the moment of truth, whether you're gonna be eating cold chow mein or hot chow mein. Here we go. No, I don't think it's working. Look, the light's not even on. I think the thing was shorted out in the rain. Is the switch on? On the thing? Oh, it was flooded. Oh, so it looks like cold chow mein. He's got a whole pantry in there. You got some. Is that Nutella? Some.
That's like the
Peanuts, some coffee lollies. Dang. Oh well, we'll just enjoy our smoko. Okay, we're done. Look at that. Ooh. Boom. All finished. And it's like 2 o'clock now, so we're done. Now we're also gonna be waiting on a few more things for this house. We're gonna be doing the internal fit out for this house as well. But yeah, wow. It's been such a good job. Big. But yeah, house is pretty much complete on the outside. We'll be doing the ceilings over the balconies later on. We'll probably be doing the balustrades coming down the stairs and over the garage over there in front of the 3 windows. Heaps to do at this house here, but yeah, all done. Me and Harley are done for the day, so catch you guys on the next one. See ya.